Hi out there. This is a beautiful spring day here in Southern Oregon, and I need some advice from you people on YouTube. You see, I have this truck. If you seen my previous video of me bringing it home, you'll know what it is, but it's a 1984 GMC 5-yarder. And I already have a 10-yard dump truck that works perfectly well. I have a CDL and drive it, and it pulls all my stuff. But this would be handy for the driveways around Southern Oregon here are just tight. People don't really want to make room for a truck. It's a cute little truck, but it's old, and the motor is not good in it. It has the 300 Cummins big cam in it, and it's got water in the oil and has had for several years. I've driven it like that at the place I got it from. It was given to me, so I have zero investment in it at this point, but I will have a lot of money into it if I decide to fix it. 1984, you know, it's 41 years old. Is it worth it? The bed is good on it. Tires are not. They're perfectly good tread, but they are weather checked, and I would not run them on the road at all. That wouldn't be good. We don't want to blow out. I could probably run the rears. They're super good tread on them also, so I probably wouldn't have to replace that. So I've got probably, well, here, I'll show you the engine. So this is the engine, the 300 big cam, and you can see it's all greasy and dirty. Thing's got a lot of miles on it. This truck used to pull triple trailers, the way I understand it. So who knows how many miles are on this engine. So it needs to be rebuilt anyway, because it probably has electrolysis in one of the liners, and yeah, it's been like this for several years with water in the oil, so who knows what the bearings are like or anything. So there's a work in progress here. Cab is pretty iffy. I mean, don't mind the cobwebs, but it's not the most comfortable thing in the world, but it could be worked, could be cleaned up, worked. I know when I drove it in here, the clutch was in bad shape, so we're gonna probably have to pull the engine or the transmission to get that fixed. I mean, it was super out of adjustment. Maybe that's all it is, but I would probably replace the clutch. Underneath, this looks pretty good. Probably got a good axle, and it's got a nice little hydraulic pump down there. That's worth something for the bed. And I have, like I said, I have used the bed before, and the hydraulics are great on it. It's just an old truck. Probably take, I don't know, probably $5,000, $5 to $7, to get that engine redone. The problem with it is it sticks way into the cab, and as you can see, that doghouse right there, that comes out of there, and you can access the back of the cab, but it would be hard to do an end frame. Might just be better off to pull the cab to get to it, but then that's a whole set of situation too. So I'm not sure about that. So if you have an opinion, you know, there's, like, I'm talking like $7,000 to replace the motor. I need 3 to 4 new batteries. So there's, you know, 1,500 right there. No, 500 probably for the batteries. The new tires, that's $1,000 for the fronts. So yeah, I don't know, but I need your opinion. What do you think? Would it be a good YouTube project for me to work on this and get it back? Would you like to see that? Or am I throwing money away? Well, I think I'm probably throwing money away, but also I have a nephew that wouldn't mind working on it. He's young. He's 15, and he loves trucks. And in fact, when I brought this home, it was like, Uncle Mike, that's the truck I've been looking at all this time. So here it is. You never know, he wants to do construction later on. So anyway, I need your opinion. So let me know, comment on whether I should fix this old girl up or not. Let it be somebody else's situation. I mean, with that motor, that's a good motor, strong motor for a 5-yarder. It'll definitely pull anything I need. So, love to hear from you. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Always look up and aim up.